Hey guys, today's video is about the top 5 things to keep and put on your e-bike. My name is Johnny Nerdout. It's my birth name. I'm a professional e-bike builder and mechanic. And yeah, hopefully you like this video. If you do, think about subscribing. Super dope. Put some pannier bags on your bike. Bigger the better. More stuff you could carry on it that you're capable of carrying on it, the better. You never know when you go to the grocery store or you go somewhere and you need to haul some stuff. You never know. Get some bags. Second thing, I would get a rechargeable headlight. Don't get ones that take, double A's, triple A's. Don't waste it. It's not environmentally safe and it's a hassle. And plus the ones that run off rechargeable lithium batteries are usually way brighter and it's super easy, just do it. Next, I would put pumps and patches in I'm gonna count that as one thing, just a pump and patch, a tire repair kit. I would keep that inside your pannier bags because you're gonna get a flat tire. Nobody doesn't get a flat tire, you just are. They're the worst things ever, but at least be prepared when you do get one. This one could be grouped with the last one, but it's tire levers. You wanna get them, or tire levers. You need to be able to get your tire off. Next, I would keep a multi-tool bike geared towards bikes, like a Crank Brothers M19 or something like that. If you Google that, and then you could find a different one if you want, but it's just great. Just have a multi-tool with all the different Allen wrenches and just all the different size stuff that you never know what's going to happen. Better be prepared. Super small, folds up. Keep it in your bag. It'll take up a 1/15 of your capacity. If you have a better idea, comment down below. Be glad to hear your input. Hopefully you found that helpful. Later, guys.